Hello friends, good evening from Kannyakumari, Shree Vivekananda Rock, Memorial Rock, and you can see the beautiful Vivekananda statue as well as this Gandhi mandapam, this area, and you can see this beautiful evening. Nicely, sea is a bit rough, but it's some of the tourists are there. Many are watching at evening. How's the sunset? Hopefully you like this sunset. Please do subscribe my channel Atul Exploration of the World, and you get loads of videos from this like this from end of the South India, and beautiful sunset with combination of moon, bluish ocean, atmosphere quite amazing. And you can see loads of people are watching here. They're taking videos. uh, Absolutely fine. Some of the watchtower is here. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. Bonjour. Have a nice time. Lovely time. Thank you very much.